Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the radio button in changing the background color, even the font color, and even the color of the text inside your text box, and even clearing all these things. So let's get started. Let's launch the Visual Basic program. The radio button is also a very useful control in Visual Basic. However, it operates differently from the checkboxes. While the checkboxes work independently and allows the user to select one or more items, radio buttons are mutually exclusive, which means the user can only choose one item only from a number of choices. First, let's have the group box. So you will notice this is alphabetically arranged. So we have our group box, and then right after having our group box, we will proceed adding our radio button. So first, let's have this. Okay, so this group box, we will name it back color because we will going to concentrate later on to change our back color. And then let's have our radio button. One, two, three. Okay, so we have here our three radio button. Let's rename this first one red. So again, you can rename it as you like. So this, I want red. Here, I want green. And this is, I want blue. Okay, now our objective is to change the color of our background. So this color or this form is with the use of me. And say me, it stands for the form itself. So let's double click now with the button one. And then let's type here me dot. We will now call the properties the back color equals. Then I will write here color dot red. Okay, so let's test first. So we have here now the color red. So it is once it is selected automatically. So let's proceed with the green so that we can see and test. Have this will change accordingly. So we have here the green. Oops. Okay, here. Let's have now the green button. Me that back color equals color dot green. Okay, and then we have the next one, the blue me that back color equals color that blue. Okay, so let's test. So from here, you'll see as we click green, it changes the back color. Well, all you have to do is call the properties of particular tool. So let's proceed to the next one. So let's just adjust this form or GUI, and let's have another group box. And then let's have the three, one, two, three. So you can click or double or drag it. So it's up to you how you want to do with this. So move. Let me move first in my group box. Okay, I will put it here. Then I will arrange everything. So if I have the back color, this time I want to change it to 4 color. 4 color. Okay, so this group box is for the 4 color of all the text. So here let me use, I think it's better if we're going to use white. So later on you can try this. We have here yellow and we have here black. Okay, so similar to our back color, we will now call this using, again, since we are calling all the colors for all the text, so again we will use the word me. So this will apply to all text because we're talking about the 4 color. 4 color equals, first one we have here white, of color that white, and then let's have the next one, we have yellow. So we mean that 4 color equals color yellow, yellow, and then lastly we have the black. So again mean that 4 color equals color that black. Okay, so let's try. This time it will change all these colors into yellow and black. Okay, so let's have it until here. I will post the second part of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.